Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to install PostgreSQL Server 18.1 on Rocky Linux 10.1. But the process is same on Rocky Linux 10 or 10.1 or later versions. Okay, so first open the default browser that comes with Rocky Linux 10.1, that is Firefox. Then go to PostgreSQL official website, it is postgresql.org. Hit enter. Then click on download or download, and also here the latest release at the time of making this video is 18.1. okay, click on download, then select Linux, then select Red Hat or Arma Linux, then scroll down. See here the PostgreSQL M repository currently supports RHL, Rocky Linux, Alma Linux, Fedora. Okay, then select the platform Red Hat, Rocky, Alma or Oracle Linux, version number 10. If you are on 9, select 9. If you are on 8, select 8. Okay, I am on Rocky Linux 10.1. So select 10. Then select the architecture x86-64. Then select the version. See here we have the versions of the PostgreSQL from 14 to 18. 18 is the latest one. Select 18. Then these are the commands or the scripts that needs to be executed to install PostgreSQL Server 18.1 on Rocky Linux 10.1. So copy these commands one by one and execute. So copy this one, it will install repository RPM. So open terminal, paste them one by one, hit enter, provide the password of the sudo user, hit enter. Now disable the built-in PostgreSQL modules if there are any. It is run, Ctrl A. Now install PostgreSQL Server. See, this is the command sudo dnf install PostgreSQL 18-server. If you want to install 17, use 17. Okay, 18-server. Hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL Server 18.1. This is the server and these are the dependencies. See here, 18 is the major version, 1 is the minor version. Okay, this is the download size. This is the required space. Okay, type A for confirmation and hit enter. Type A and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Ctrl A. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL Server. Okay, sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL -18. We have to give the version number, otherwise it won't work. See here, see, it is not working, so give -version number. See, PostgreSQL Server is installed, but it is disabled and not started. Give to quit. Now we have to run these commands. First it will initialize the database, then it will enable the PostgreSQL Server service, then it will start the PostgreSQL service. Okay, so paste it, hit enter. Now enable the PostgreSQL service. Sudo systemctl enable start PostgreSQL -18. Now enable it. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL -18. See, PostgreSQL Server is enabled and it is active and running. We have started 14 seconds ago. And see here, these are the PIDs for the PostgreSQL services. This is the data directory location, logger, IO worker, checkpointer, background writer, wall writer, auto vacuum launcher, and logical replication. Q to quit. Ctrl A. Now connect to PostgreSQL Server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See here, this is not the version of the PostgreSQL Server, it is PSQL client version. To verify the version of the PostgreSQL Server, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL Server 18.1. Ctrl A. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL Server is we have to set the password for the Postgres user, which is the super user. So first verify list of users, /du. The commands that starts with / are called meta commands. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres. You can also get the list of the users by running select username from pg_user. See, we got the same. Now set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password See here, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. See, we have successfully set the password. Now verify list of databases /shell. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL Server installation. Now create database. Create database. Now verify the same. See, we have created database, and this is the one of the database. Go to Ctrl A. Now switch to this database by using /c or /connect. Then provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Now verify list of tables. See, we don't have any tables, so create table. See, we have created a table customer in public schema. This is the one of the table. Now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we'll create user. Create, Ctrl L, create user. As I told you, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to PostgreSQL server with this new user. /q is the command to exit. PSQL-HH means hostname, localhost because PostgreSQL server is installed on this one. -u must be caps. Then username is David. -d means database. Then database name Postgres. Then provide the password of this user. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that we have created. See, we are now connected to database bank as user David. Now try to run the query against the table that is there in this database. See, permission needed for table customer because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we'll see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL Server 18.1 on Racky Linux operating systems. You can't stop or start with this Postgres user. So exit from the current user. Now sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL -18. See, it is running. Now stop it. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is stopped 1 second ago. You can also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres esql. See, we are unable to connect, so exit from the current user and start it again. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL -18. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is started. See, here it is active and running 2 seconds ago. Quit. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL -18. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server restarted 1 second ago. Control A. Now we'll see how to find the config files, data and log directory locations. So connect to PostgreSQL server. PSQL show config_file. See, this PostgreSQL.conf file contains PostgreSQL server configuration parameters. Show HBA_file. See, HBA means host-based authentication file. This file contains authentication rules. Data directory, show data_directory. See, all three are in the same directory. Okay. Now log directory, show log_directory. It is typo. See, you got the same. Okay. Exit. Okay. Until now we have connected PostgreSQL server by using PSQL client. We can also connect PostgreSQL server by using pgadmin or dpword. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel. You can how to install both on Racky Linux. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL server 18.1 on Racky Linux 10.1. Okay. For more PostgreSQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.